Sine, cosine, and tangent. How do we solve them? Well, here's a problem. You see 5 is on the hypotenuse, 3 is on the x, and 4 is on the y-axis of this triangle. Now you might be asking, well, Learnscape, what is exactly a hypotenuse? Well, a hypotenuse is actually the side that is opposite to the right angle. So you see here, the right angle is adjacent to the 3 and 4, or the x and y, and therefore the 5 on the other side is called the hypotenuse. So sine, how do we find sine? Sine is actually equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So if we wanted to find the sine of A, the sine of A would equal opposite over hypotenuse, and the opposite from that angle is 4, and the hypotenuse obviously in this problem is 5, so your sine would equal 4 over 5 for A. If you want to find the cosine for A, cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent to that angle is 3, the x-axis. 3 over 5, which is the hypotenuse, which then equals your answer for cosine of A. And if you want to find the tangent of this problem, the tangent of A is actually equal to opposite over adjacent. So the opposite is 4 and the adjacent is 3, thereby getting you the final answer, 4 over 3. And that's how you solve sine, cosine, and tangent in your respective trigonometry problems. Now, if you want to really memorize this, is a very simple way to memorize this. Since sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, you have SOH, so, which is the acronym to memorize this specific formula. The acronym for cosine would be CA, CA representing cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And the final acronym would be TOA, which obviously represents tangent equals opposite over adjacent. These are the acronyms for all 3 of these formulas in order to find from any single problem. You have SO, CA, TOA. Make sure you memorize that. Here's another problem for you guys to solve. Answers will be showing up shortly after this. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys want to see more of this, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more future math content. Until next time, thanks for watching.